welcome back to our channel. Today we will do a program. First we will delete this cat sprite. Now we will go to our backgrounds, import, we go to outdoors, we will take any natural background. I am taking a building at mid. Now I will go again to choose a new sprite. You can take fantasy or anything which you like. I am taking this fantasy 2. This is the sprite. Now we will shrink the sprite. We'll small it. It's too big. Now we will do the coding for it. Now first we will go to control. Then we will go to forever. Now we will go to if on edge bounce. Now we will move 10 steps. Now we will do to switch costume 1 to 2, so it's in looks. So we have only one fantasy, so we will take another fantasy. We will go to costumes, we will take import, and we will take another fantasy of the same style. So I am taking this same sprite is not there, so I will take a different fantasy 14, and then we will have the option fantasy 2. So I will take 2. Now we will walk, wait for 1 second. Now we will move 10 steps. Now we will go to switch costume, again that same place. Switch costume to 1. Here it will come fantasy 1. We'll stop. Now we will again wait. So control, wait. You can take any seconds. I am taking 0.4 seconds. So we'll okay it. Let's see if it works. And before moving to that, we have to only face left and right. So we will play it. You can increase this number of scripts you have taken. You can make it fantasy 3 also, 4 also, any number of times. I am just looking for 2. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.